Most people obsess over how much money they invest, but the sequence you invest in is actually the secret to success. If you rush into the stock market or buy property too early, you're building a castle on a foundation of sand. Doing this out of order leads to panic selling, bad decisions, and watching your hard-earned cash evaporate. Instead, we need to layer your finances brick by brick, moving from safety into high-octane growth. So, let's break down the exact roadmap wealthy people use, starting with the one step that prevents you from going broke. Before you even think about growing your money, you have to protect what you already have. This starts with your financial shield, better known as an emergency fund. Life is expensive. Cars break, medical bills pop up, and jobs can disappear overnight without warning. Without this cash pile, one bad day forces you into debt or makes you sell your investments at the worst possible time. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, parked in a boring, accessible savings account. Now that you're safe from emergencies, we have to attack the single biggest killer of your future wealth. You cannot get rich if you are paying 20% interest on credit card debt or payday loans. Even the best investors in the world can't beat that rate. So holding this debt is like swimming with an anchor. Paying off a high-interest balance is a guaranteed win, giving you a risk-free return equal to that interest rate. Clear the toxic debt first, and you will instantly feel the financial pressure release. With the bleeding stopped, let's look at your cash flow, because you can't invest what you don't track. You need a crystal clear picture of your inflows and outflows, identifying exactly how much gap you have for investing. Track your spending to find the leaks, and cut the waste so you can redirect it to your future. Remember, in the beginning, consistency beats intensity. So committing to a small, regular amount is key. A solid budget ensures your plan is sustainable, stopping you from investing money you actually need for rent. Now that your habits are dialed in, it's time to grab the free money most people leave on the table. Many companies offer benefits that act like a turbocharger for your net worth. If your job offers a 401k match, take it immediately, because that match is a guaranteed 100% return on your money. If you don't contribute enough to get the full match, you are literally declining a pay raise. Look beyond retirement accounts too, and check for stock purchase plans or health savings accounts. An HSA is a hidden gem for medical costs, using pre-tax dollars that can grow tax-free forever. Even educational reimbursements count here, as they increase your earning power on the company's dime. You've grabbed the easy money. Now let's talk about where to park your cash safely before taking big risks. While you build up, keep your liquidity in low-risk vehicles like high-yield savings accounts or money markets. They won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they keep your capital safe and ready to deploy. This is also the time to tackle moderate debt, things like student loans or car notes. It's not an emergency like credit cards, but lowering these monthly obligations frees up massive cash flow. Eliminating these payments gives you flexibility, ensuring your future investments aren't stressed by monthly bills. Foundation secure? Debt manageable? Good. Now we open the floodgates to real wealth generation. This is where the magic happens. Broad-based index funds and ETFs. Instead of trying to find the needle in the haystack, you just buy the whole haystack, like the S&P 500. It spreads your risk across hundreds of top companies, making it much safer than betting on a single stock. History shows these funds provide steady growth, perfect for turning small monthly contributions into millions over time. Once you have that core portfolio engaged, you might want to spice things up with higher returns. If you have the appetite for it, you can allocate a small portion of money to individual stocks. This offers higher reward potential, but it demands serious research into financials and strategy. Never gamble on hype or short-term trends. Focus on companies with a competitive moat. However, the golden rule here is diversification, spreading your bets across different sectors and regions. Mixing stocks, bonds, and other assets ensures a crash in one sector doesn't wipe out your entire net worth. You're making money now, but the tax man is watching. Here's how to legally keep more of what you earn. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs to shield your growth from the IRS. Depending on the account, you either save on taxes now, or you pull the money out tax-free in retirement. This efficiency allows compound interest to run wild, uninterrupted by annual tax drags. Just make sure to leave it alone, as early withdrawals destroy the compounding effect. Stocks are intangible, but some investors want something real. Let's talk about concrete assets. Real estate is a classic wealth builder, offering both passive income and property value appreciation. You can start small with REITs, real estate investment trusts, to get exposure without becoming a landlord overnight. It's a great diversification tool, but requires more research regarding location and financing. Beyond that, you have alternatives like peer-to-peer lending, small business angel investing, or commodities. Treat these as the icing on the cake, not the cake itself, keeping them to a small percentage of your net worth. You've built the machine. Here is the final maintenance step to keep it running forever. You can't just set it and forget it forever. You need to review your portfolio regularly. As you get older or markets shift, you'll need to rebalance to keep your risk in check. Maybe stocks grew too fast and you need to sell some high, moving that profit into safer bonds or cash. Investing is a test of patience and discipline, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stay calm when the market dips, keep contributing, and trust the order of operations we just covered. Build the foundation, eliminate the debt, and invest for growth, and your financial security is inevitable.